You have the certification. You understand TOGAF better than anyone in your organization. You have been building architecture for years. And somewhere in the last 18 months, the room changed. You found out about the AI initiative after the decision was already made. You were not consulted, you were informed. And you said nothing in that meeting because there was nothing left to say. The momentum had already moved past you. That is not a knowledge problem, that is an authority problem. And it has been growing since the first AI pilot launched without an architectural review. Here is what changed. Not AI. That is the tool. What changed is speed. The traditional EA delivery cycle takes 3 to 6 weeks. The AI decision cycle takes 2 to 4 days, sometimes hours. By the time your gap analysis is ready, the vendor has been selected and the budget has been allocated. Certifications did not prepare you for this. They were designed for a world where the architect had time. TOGAF assumes you will be consulted. The AI era does not. And here is what nobody says out loud. The architects who are 10 times faster are not smarter than you. They built a different capability. AI agents, automated analysis pipelines, board-ready transformation plans in hours, not weeks. The output is the same, the time is not. That is the gap. And that gap is exactly what this program closes. This program is built around one question. What does an enterprise architect need to be the first person called when an AI initiative is planning, not the last person informed? 10 modules. Every module ships a deliverable your organization can use, not slides you study and forget. Architecture outputs you present on Monday. Modules 1 through 4, the foundation layer, prompt engineering inside TOGAF, pain chain analysis, executive communication. Modules 6 and 8, the signature capability, building production AI agents, not just using tools. By module 8, you will have deployed 20 agents. This is the suite that Michael Torres used to save 200 hours in his first month. Module 7, the governance layer, ISO 42001, ISO 56000, ESG integration, the credentials that make you the authority. And Module 10, EA UX with AI, the capability that separates AI native architects, architecture that executives understand without translation. Every architect knows this experience, weeks bouncing between PowerPoint, Excel, Visio, and 14 meetings just to answer one question. What is our plan to get from where we are to where we need to be? Archon is the platform built to answer that question. From requirement to board-ready plan with financials and visuals. Single platform, it is available to CLU students only. It is the reason Michael Torres delivered in under 4 hours what his team delivered in weeks. Let me tell you about 3 architects. Michael Torres saved his team 200 hours in the first month. His CIO noticed before month 1 ended. Jennifer Walsh used the executive interview simulator to prepare for a board presentation. She got approval for a $2 million initiative. Sarah Shai was TOGAF certified. She was skeptical. After Module 4, she could not imagine working without her AI co-pilots. These are not exceptional people. They are experienced architects who installed a capability that changed what was possible for them. The gap between AI native architects and traditional architects is widening at a rate that makes it unclosable within 18 months. The architects who are 10 times faster today will be the only ones consulted tomorrow. The ones who wait will document decisions they were not part of. You already know which one you are going to be. Enroll at Coach Leonardo University. 5,000 architects are already inside.